Hi, I'm Jerry Feinstein with Spreo Capital. We're a direct lender offering RTL, construction, and DSCR loans to sponsors and borrowers in 15 states now. We've been working with Fortra Law and Steve Ernest for many, many years. We've been using Fortra Law on a lot of different services, whether it's compliance, loan docs, and litigation services. The good news is that we haven't had to use the litigation services too much, but in the rare occasions where we did, Steve was just phenomenal. The great thing about Steve is that he understands our business. So if you have a lawyer who is not from the private lending field, you spend half the time and on the clock explaining what you're doing. So Steve's already there. But secondly, lawyers are all different. Lawyers have their own approaches. The two things I'll say about Steve is one is he has litigation experience, so he's in the courtroom. So that's the guy I want to talk to about how to avoid legal liability, or if there's a potential for litigation, what do I do ahead of time and how do I prepare to make sure that our downside risks are covered. But more importantly, he gave us options. We had a particular issue with a particular borrower. Nothing has happened yet, but I want to be, I want to be prepared. I laid out what the facts were, and he provided us with several options. He said, hey, you can go a lot of different ways, but I'd recommend this way to do it. It's up to you guys, but this would be the best way to do it. So just the way he approached it and his knowledge of the space allowed us to resolve. The issue was resolved. It did not require litigation, and part of that was because we were equipped with top legal advice on it. So anybody will tell you the best way to deal with litigation is to avoid it altogether, and we definitely did that, and we're very, very satisfied and happy with the results that Steve made possible.